Welcome on my YouTube channel, or on our YouTube channel, better to say. So, dear friends, let's go on with this combo dual speaker Laney LX120RTWIN. Why to go on? I will explain it later within few seconds in this video, because at first I would like to thank you everybody for watching our videos, for subscribing our YouTube channel, and if you like our videos and if you would like to support our channel, you can also join our channel. So back to this combo. Why to go on? Because I've recorded a complete long video yesterday with this combo where I show you what happens when I switch it for the first time into the electricity after some years. I show the sound also, because it's in working condition, and I give some more info about the history of company Laney. It's interesting because the Laney company was founded in the year 1967 by Mr. Laney, and it has also connection to the band Led Zeppelin and also Black Sabbath band. If you are interested to know more, watch my previous video. If I don't forget, I put here active link, because for me, and I believe that also for you, is the history always interesting. Laney, British company from West Midlands near Birmingham, so it has very long history. We can say 60, little less, 1 year, less than 60 years history. And in this video, and I promised it in my previous video, I would like to dismount this front grille that you can see better the cones of Celestion speakers. There are also something like legend Celestion 12-inch 70-80 guitar speakers, 70-80. The exact type is G12P80. Pretty nice. You could see in my previous video the wires, so they are both 16 ohms in parallel connection, so into the final impedance is 8 ohms. So maybe for the totally beginners in the audio technique, can be useful to watch my many years old video about the speaker impedance, how to connect speakers, about the parallel connection, serial connection, stereo parallel connection, and the final impedance. So if you know speakers, if you know the audio technique, don't watch it. But if you are totally beginners, because I receive very often questions from beginners, watch my previous video. If I don't forget, I put here active link about the impedance and how to connect speakers. So, and maybe I will also dismount one speaker, because it's very, I think, yes, very simple to disconnect it, and there are only 4 screws from the front, so that I can show you the speaker separately. So let's do it. There are 6 screws. I will take my professional Narex. Oh, little interruption. Narex, I received it from my wife at least 10-11 years ago. Yes, the batteries, I have 2 batteries, are not in perfect condition, but 63 Newton meters, and it's a real professional accu or battery screwdriver. I need any other bite, so okay, it will be okay. So let's do it. So only few seconds, and let's watch the speakers. Okay. Yes, they look pretty nice. There's dust on them. Here's dust. I see here some small drops of water were here. Water, oh no, maybe not water, maybe beer, maybe Coca-Cola, Coke and other, because I see something here, and as it is usual, you put it anywhere on the floor, and beers, cola and other drinks, and then usually problem. This is something like in your at your home with wife. When the wife see the speaker box, they must put there some flowers on the top and water. So let's take the vacuum cleaner and let's clean it. So dear friends, cleaned with vacuum cleaner and brush, and now it looks much more better. There were some very small drops of white paint. So it's normal by old professional devices, but it looks pretty nice. The cones or the speakers are not tired. Perfect. Yeah, some optical, not 100%, but technically perfect. Let's dismount, for example, this one. As I told before, wires. Maybe I will find it later in some of my videos, because oh, okay. I will dismount this one. Why? Because here are connected 4 wires, and this is in the parallel connection. Only 2 goes to this speaker, so only 2 to put down. It's the same way connected. Black on the right, left, red on the left. No problem. Something like car. In car, some wires or connectors. Okay, disconnected. Only few seconds. So now it's the left one. So disconnected. Celestion 70, 80. Dirty from the back side, but I will clean it. So dear friends, how do you like this combo? How do you like these speakers? Write us in comments. And as it is usual, this combo is available. It's for sale. If you are interested, write me in comments or write me per email. So dear friends, once more, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing our YouTube channel, and if you like our videos and if you would like to support our channel, you can also join our channel. So have a nice day.